Hi guys. Everyone knows that Microsoft is pushing the new Edge browser on their operating systems, and this browser is really good, but if you want to set a different browser as the default in Windows 11, it will now be a little more difficult to do this than in previous versions of Windows. Let's see how to change the default settings for Google Chrome browser, Firefox or any other browser. We click the button, Start. Then, Settings. Applications. Then go to the section, Default Applications. Click, here. And now you need to find the browser you want to make default. I want to make default Google Chrome. Click on it. Click, here. Now select Chrome. OK. Then repeat all the steps in each section to use Google Chrome. If you also want to open PDFs by default in Google Chrome, and so on. We have now successfully completed all the steps to make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows 11. If you want to make Firefox the default browser on Windows 11, open the default app settings. Find Firefox, and in the same way just change the default value for each section. Do exactly the same steps on all settings items. Now don't forget to leave your comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and also I would like to thank you for watching my video. Good luck!